Hello everyone. Today in this video I will show you how to apply a domain on our field. For this purpose, um, for this video, for this exercise, we are using Odoo 15 community version as I just show you in the settings. So I'm using today Odoo 15 community version, community edition, and as usual IDE is Visual Studio Code. And my custom module name is customer details, and this is the module name is customer, and technical name is customer underscore detail. Right, guys? So what is a domain? Domain in openerp is for condition or filter to records. So basically the data which we are getting from database or from the table, we are applying some conditions and some criteria, and according to those criterias um, and filters, we are getting those filtered record according um, to the filters after the filtration, right, guys? So for the example, for the example, I have just added this field, which is a sale order ID, and this is a many to one field, and its relation to the sale order. That is a many to one field relation, and this is the string sale order. And I have just added this field into our XML file. If you see here, I have just added in our form view, which is the custom module customer details form view. I have added this field customer. Oh, sorry, this is the one. So sale order ID. Right, guys? So let me just show you in the front end. If I go in the front end and if I go in the customer details, so here, if I create a new record, so if you see here, all the sales orders we have fetched. So what it means, if I scroll my mouse there on this field, you can see the technical field of this field is, the technical name of this field is sale underscore order underscore ID. This is a many to one field. Type is many to one. Relation to sale.order, as I have already shown you in my Python file. And if you look at the domain, it's empty. Okay. So, and this is what we are talking about today. This is what we are practicing today. So in Odoo, a domain encodes conditions on records. A domain is a list of criteria used to select a subset of a model's records. Each criterion is a triplet with a field name, an operator, and a value. A record satisfies a criterion if the specified field meets the condition of the operator applied to the value. Then the filter will be applied, or whatever conditions we will apply to this field. Okay, so let's talk about the syntax now. So let's suppose at the moment, if I click on search more sales orders, so at the moment we are getting 23 sales orders in this field. Let me just open a new window, and here if I go in sales, and in sales order, if I see the all together, there are how many sale order quotation all together? So there are 23 at the moment. So all that 23 we are getting here. So it means there is no filter, there is no domain, there is no criteria, there is no condition. So every single record, it's been there, it's been fetching there. So we want to add a condition where we say that we want to see only sale order where state is sale. So let me just show you. If I create, or if I just go in a sale order, here if you see, this is a status bar and its field is state, And in this state, if you look at the selection, in selection, if you see there are 5 selections there: draft, sent, sale, done, cancel. So we want to only filter the records where the state is equal to sale, right, guys? Let's do that. So in our Python file, we need to add a domain. So we say domain is equal to. So guys, it starts with a list. It starts with the list, and then we need to add a tuples inside the list. So we say state. We only want to see records where the state is equal and sale, where the state or the sale order status is sale. So we only want to see sale orders, not quotations, not cancelled, nothing, just sale. Okay. So let's upgrade our module, upgrade our Odoo service, and then upgrade the module. Okay. And we go in applications. This is our custom module, customer underscore details. Right. So if I go in customer details, this is our custom module. So guys, before, when I just show you, when I just open the sale order field, I show you there were 23 records, right? 23 records were there. So now let's check, because in 23, if we go in sale order, so there are 23 altogether. So, but there are some sale orders, some quotations, and yeah, that's it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, around 6. Okay, 7 are quotations, and then altogether, remaining are sale order. So let's check now. So if you see here, okay, that's it. If you see 23 minus 7, it's 16. So only we can see records where the state is sale. That's simply we have applied a domain, and we have got filtered records. So you have seen the example before. We were looking 23 records, but now we have looked 16 records just because of the condition has been applied through a domain. I just want to talk about, okay, guys, a domain is a list of criteria, each criterion being a triple, either a list or a tuple. Uh, so basically syntax is starting with field name, so which is a state in this case, and then an operator, which is equal to here, and then the value, which is a sale in this case. So this is how we are applying the uh, domains, the syntax wise as well. I'm just talking about the, let me also tell you about the operators. So we can use equal to, we can use not equal to, we can use greater than here, we can use uh, greater than or equal to. It depends that um, what kind of condition you want to apply. So this is uh, greater than or equal to. Then there is another condition we can apply, which is this condition. What is that? This is unset or equals to, returns true if value is either none or false. Otherwise behaves like equal to. So you can also use this uh, operator. Then there is another operator like. So what it does, it matches field name against the value pattern, similar to is like, but wraps value with percentage before matching. So you just need to apply all these operators. Just need practice. Then uh, I like. What is I like? This is just case sensitive. Uh, just like. I mean, is equal to like. Uh, then there is another operator in. This is equal to any of the items from value. Value should be a list of items. So you can also use in. You can use not in. You can use not in, and how you can use it? It's not and then in. It is unequal to all of the items from value. You can use this. Then you can use and. You can use and how you can use. Um, Domain criteria can be combined using logical operators in prefix form, which is like this. A logical and default operation to combine criteria following one another. So you can also use or as well. So guys, there are a lot of operators. This video will be very long if I will just um, give you examples of each and everything. So I've just shown you one example. uh, I've just talked about operators, I've just talked about syntax, I've just talked about why we use domain, and I have just shown you how we have used it in a many to one field. So just uh, it's up to you. Just practice, and yeah. If you like this video, please like it, share it with your friends, and yeah, thank you so much. Bye bye.